रकुल जी राइट देखो ना। रकुल जी ओके थैंक यू।
अभी वहाँ पे पहुँचिए सारे।
नहीं अभी अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं।
आराम से काम कर
भाई क्या कर रहा है क्या कर रहा है बस क्या है
चलो प्लीज मूव चलो मूव चलो गाइस मूव चलो
Alright guys, how many people know the umbrellas are going to Which umbrellas are? Which umbrellas are? I want you to open your umbrellas as she gets on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage for our next promotion is the OT Chandri Bali. She is super talented, super gorgeous. She's coming to Shillage for the second time in 2 months. Please put your hands together for the one, the only, Rakul Preet Singh.
Hi guys, how are you? अरे बहुत ढीला है. Come on, Kshitij, yeah, come on, you guys are supposed to be the best. It's so good to be back. It's so good to meet more people actually. Last time was an amazing session that I had with all of you all, but much lesser, though it was amazing. But I'm really looking forward to this energy. I've always heard that Kshitij is the best fest in Bombay. You have to go to Kshitij. I've always been listening. I used to be, when I moved to Bombay back in 2011, and I used to say, nahi yaar, best fest to hamara hota tha Delhi ka. I used to say, no, Delhi fest is best, but let's see. So you guys have to make sure that I go back with a belief that Kshitij is the best, okay?
We'll do that, yes or no? Yes? I think she's already seen the Kshitij here, but before she leaves, we'll show her what the Kshitij here is and the power of Kshitij here. Yes?
I've done it with you
We've
guys.
done it together, yes. But talking about Chhatri Wali, it's a very unique concept, talking about a taboo that we've made in the society, which essentially isn't a taboo at all. Talk to us about this entire concept of just easing into things, into concepts that are not spoken about so often.
अरे भाई बोल लीजिए कर लो भाई
When I first read the script of Chhatri Wali, I really thought it was important to speak about a subject that nobody talks about. And Chhatri Wali is very special to me. It's very, very close to my heart because it's not just about safe sex or unprotected sex. It's also about the ill effects of unsafe sex and the ill effects on women specifically, right? And nobody, all you girls out here, tell me if you've ever heard anybody talk about how many abortions can a woman's body take or how many miscarriages can a woman's body take. And trust me, in the tier 2, tier 3 cities, largely, there are multiple abortions or miscarriages that happen and actually a body can't take that. And along with that, there's emotional trauma, physical trauma, mental trauma that a woman goes through. So I just felt that it's so much more important to highlight why safe sex. And I think we as the youth of the country should be responsible citizens, should spread this word around. And so that's why Chhatri Wali was very, very special. And actually, let me ask, how many of you all think that sex education is very, very important and it should be important? I am so glad. And for the ones who don't think, Chhatri Wali ki chhatri padegi.
But this is lovely, Rakul. It is such a beautiful, unique concept, put in a very good way across people so that they understand the importance of sex education. I think we've said enough. It's time for us to have a look at the trailer once together.
How many of you have seen the trailer already?
Yes!
Okay, so for the others, eyes on the screen.
Can we have the AV please?
दो टाइप के लोग, एक जो सीधी बात कर नहीं पाते।
कॉम्बिनेशन का क्या मतलब होता है सर?
जैसे एक बर्ड के ऊपर दूसरा बर्ड बैठता है ना, तो उसको
मतलब सर मैं अभी ये चंदन के ऊपर बैठ जाऊँ तो
This trailer is nothing short of awesome. How do you do it every single time, Rakul?
Yay! Thank God. Thank God I do it. No, I think you guys are being kind, but I really hope and I try that every time I try to bring something new. So that two reasons. One, you all don't get bored, and secondly, I don't get bored of myself. So the endeavor is to try doing newer stuff because it's just a beautiful job to be an actor where you can really show your personality. But let's hear it from people. How do you all like the trailer? कैसा लगा?
अरे पीछे वाले कुछ नहीं बोल रहे. People in the back, can I hear you make some noise, please?
नहीं रहे तो हम react नहीं करेंगे.
But tell us about the shooting experience. I'm sure there were a lot of girls, assistant directors on the sets of this movie. How was the atmosphere when you all was recording and shooting these scenes? Did it really make a change? Did it move something like that?
So if you see the trailer, there's nothing that's actually explicit in the trailer, right? And when I okayed the film, for me the first thing is I need to be able to watch my films with my parents. You know, I need to celebrate my film with my family, and so there is nothing in this film which is cringeworthy. Yes, the conversation is taboo, but why is it? Like my idea is that if you can talk about mental health, physical health, emotional health, why not about sexual health? It's biology. It's as simple. It's, you know, in the trailer it says कि optional नहीं compulsory है. I feel इसका option life में हम में से किसी के पास नहीं है. तो उसकी पढ़ाई का option क्यों? You know, we all should be educated and aware. And so yeah, the set had a lot of women, had a lot of men. But the atmosphere was great because everybody believed in the subject. Everybody was very driven. We would, sort of improvise, bring in our elements. Satish ji would add his humor. So it was a lot of fun.
Wonderful. Please give her a huge round of applause. She's been absolutely phenomenal in all the films she's done. We did this for the... This group, no, they've had something different today, I'm telling you. They've been insane. But like we did in the previous promotions, we're going to give a chance to the audience. If you guys, just by chance, want to come up on stage and dance with Rakul, you guys, you can just raise your hands and we'll pick the best people from here. Rakul, I'm going to let you do the job.
So I picked 10 people. How many people?
जितने आपको चाहिए, जितने आपको चाहिए.
Let's take like this N2. हाँ, अभी थोड़ी होगा. अभी जब मैं पहले बोल रही थी N2 हो जाओ तब बहुत कम लोग बोलते हैं. अभी ऊपर आ रहे तो यार फिर तो N2 वाली this group.
Okay. 2 people, you two, come. जल्दी जल्दी आओ, come. Okay, you both come quickly. That's it. No girls are raising their hands. How many girls want to come up here and dance with her? Come on.
You also and you also.
Okay, they're from the team only. Enough. All of you guys, come quickly,
And
come.
others, you can dance there. Join us from there.
Okay, quickly, let's get on the stage. Aram se, guys. Straight out of school, man. Straight out of school. Just kidding. Oh, he's only 12 years old, guys.
So this is amazing, and I feel honestly, education starts around that. I'm at 8th standard, 7. थोड़ा छोटा हो गया, इसको डांस ही करा देगा.
Okay, who else do we have? Quickly, jaldi आओ. People from here, I think we picked a few people from this side as well. Yeah, jaldi, quickly. Please keep the song ready, guys. Can we have the song, please? We're gonna dance with Rakul on this. Jaldi गाना बजा दीजिए. Chalo, let's go. Can we have the song, please? Yes. अरे थोड़ी सीढ़ी Alright guys, please, पूरा participants एक बार इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, please put up the hands on the cross. Well done. Thank you guys, thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you. That's so good. Thanks. All right, then. Nakul, you've done phenomenal films over time, and I'm sure you're going to keep entertaining us for the years to come. Thank you so much for being here, but we will not let you go without this Shittage chair, because I promise you that we're the best college festival in this entire country, and we want to show you what Shittage is all about. Will you guys do the Shittage chair with me? Yes or no? Yes. Listen, we have to shout as loudly as possible. I'm going to give the counts. I want you to follow up. Let's do the Shittage. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Soaring high, yo, watch us fly, yo. Now before you leave, I'm going to ask you, tell us about your perceptions. Do you think Shittage is the best festival that you've done?
Well, I do think the energy is great, so I'll give it to you guys, but I'll still say that my college fest was bad.
But this was so much fun.
This is so much fun.
Yeah.
And before I leave, like you didn't let me go without the Shittage cheer, I would also like to say first, thank you guys, thank you so much for being such a sport. Thank you so much for such great energy. And don't forget to watch Chhatrivali on Z5 on 20th of January. And please watch it with your families, because that's when the dialogue will start, and you all are the future and you all need to be responsible. So 20th January, Chhatrivali on Z5.
Alright, we're going to have a small selfie with, not a small, a big selfie with everybody out here. So I'm going to let you do it, Nakul. Yo, Shittage, put your hands up, put your hands up! We're going to take a small video, okay? So you guys have a good time! Alright, that was wonderful. Thank you so much. Please give it up for Nakul Preet Singh once again, everybody. Thank you so much, Nakul. It was so much fun having you here. And please keep coming again.
Thank you so much for having me, and this was lots of fun. Bye guys, thank you so much.
Oh, one second. Before we let you go, one more time. अभी आपने एक और चीज़ कर दिया, हमने एक और चीज़ कर दी. I'm going to request our Vice Principal, Professor Anjali Partner, to please come up on stage and present the token of love and appreciation to Nakul. Thank you so much, Nakul. Thank you. See you very soon. All the very best for Chhatrivali. Thank you. Thank you, man.